Alright, so in this video we're going to solve a linear inequality. In addition to that, we're going to write the solution set in interval notation and we're going to graph it. I'll actually probably do those steps in reverse order, but I'll show you why, my reasoning for that. First of all, we're going to solve the inequality. We're going to do it very similarly to, or actually, very similarly to how we solve an equation. The only difference will be if I end up dividing or multiplying by a negative. Looks like I'm going to end up doing that here. When I divide or multiply an inequality by a negative, which I'm about to do here, like that, I have to change the inequality symbol. So this is going to turn into x greater than a negative 4. I continue to work each side of the inequality the same way, but I must switch the inequality. So just that turns into that. Okay, so we switch inequality symbol when multiplying or dividing by a negative. Okay, so now there's the solution. Now I want to write the solution set in interval notation and graph it. I'm going to probably go ahead and graph it first. I like to go from graphing to interval notation because it's just reading from left to right. So here we go. I have a negative 4 here, and I have the word, I just say the word anything when I see the variable. So anything, and then I see a big side after the word anything. So anything greater than negative 4. So here we go. We have anything greater than negative 4. And there it is. So now for my interval notation, I'm just going to read from left to right. Negative 4, and then the right boundary that we see is infinity. So it's that simple. Okay, let's take a look at another one. So I'm going to go ahead and go use addition property of equality to do that. That's 9, so that's 3x. This time I'm not going to divide or multiply by negative, so I'm not going to flip the symbol. So greater than or equal to 3. Alright, so here I go with my graph. Here's me graphing it. And I have a 3 greater than or equal to. This time I'm going to use a bracket. There we go. Greater than or equal to 3. Now I'm just going to read from left to right for interval notation. A bracket 3, that means I'm including the 3. And then I have my right boundary as infinity. We never can get to infinity, so we don't include it. So there we have writing a solution set in interval notation and graphing it. Okay, hope this helped. Thanks for watching.